Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Heath and Brandon from Homes on Wheels, and we are out here and we're going to be seeing something today that we have never seen before. First, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel already, be sure to do that. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you get notified every time we release a new video. And this one has been on TV, Brandon. If they recognize this, there may be a reason.
It's been on HGTV, guys.
Yeah.
These things are all the rage right now. Tiny homes for people wanting to reduce their carbon footprint or to just live that minimalistic lifestyle. This has a lot of appeal to it, and more people are going that way. Not just millennials, but older people. In fact, this home is one of the top sellers in the state of Florida. So if you live in Florida, you've probably seen this as well, because a lot of snowbirds, older couples that are retired that are coming from the north to the south, this is what they're going for.
Yeah, and we don't normally do a lot of scan around the outside, but since this one's kind of small, we want to give you guys a look at it and see how it stacks up. And man, it looks really good. Let's get inside and take a look at it.
Yeah, I'm excited to show you.
That porch is nice too.
I'm going to tell you, they pack a whole lot into this little package.
They sure do. Whoa.
So the first thing you're going to notice as soon as you walk in here is how open it is. I mean, this is a very open concept, tiny home, but it's loaded with windows in all the right places. So if you look up, windows all the way across the top and windows on the bottom.
Oh, it's got an air conditioner up there too.
It does. It's got its own independent air conditioning / heat system in here, and they've also got an air conditioner in the back bedroom that we'll get to in here in just a minute. Now here's the funny thing, for this to be such a small home, they set that thing up to put a 70-inch TV in here, man.
Just for us.
Just for us.
Just for us. They knew we were coming.
That's exactly right. So, I mean, I'm kind of just taken back. You know, honestly, I'm just going to sit here taking it all in.
I want to get up in that loft.
Yeah. You want me to go up first, or you want to go up?
Well, you could almost just step up there. But
let's go up there.
All right, let's go up and take a look at the loft. That has drawn my eye right off the gate as soon as we walked in. And yeah, wow. Don't stand up, Brandon.
Yeah, no, there ain't no standing up, that's for sure. But if you have a kid,
they would love that.
My daughter would have a heyday up here.
I bet she would.
You know what's crazy is there's a ton of plugs up here too.
Oh, there are.
So you got plugs over there and over there and over there. Put an air mattress in. If you had somebody visiting, you can have somebody sleep up here, and it's almost like its own little personal loft for that as well. There's actually room to sleep quite a few people in here, which you'll see in just a second.
And the window's open.
The window is open. I wonder if they know that.
I don't know.
All the windows open.
And so you got a light switch for up here.
It sure does.
All right. Wow. We're going to give you an overhead shot. You're not used to seeing that shot.
No, not at all.
Let's down into the kitchen.
You know, if I had this house, I'd have to do one thing though.
What's that?
I'd have to have me a pole, like a firehouse pole.
Of course. Of course. All right, let's go back down. If I can do it without holding the camera and not falling here.
Hey, for those of you that don't believe us that we're not in sales, I'm wearing a t-shirt, guys. So, I guess we can go from the loft and the living room into the kitchen, where they have effectively put in place a full-size stove, which
they really have,
and a full-size microwave. And that's one of the things in these homes. A lot of people are like, I don't want to lose the amenities of a full-size home. Well, you don't. Full-size fridge right behind you too.
Oh, it sure is. And I'll tell you something I'm noticing, they're making use of every little inch in here too. Shelf and stuff like that. And just next to the fridge, stackable washer and dryer.
Without a doubt.
You know, I've never had a stackable like that, and I've always wanted. I know it sounds crazy. I've always wanted one.
You know, here's a little known fact about me. Me and my wife, our first home was a tiny home.
Really?
We built a house that was, well, I considered it a tiny home, 830 square feet, and we lived in it for 8 years, and we had a stackable washer and dryer in it as well, and it did a fantastic job. Okay. So this is actually a lifestyle that is kind of near and dear to my heart.
Okay.
And it helped us to be able to get out and travel and go from Alaska to Key West to everywhere we wanted to by living in a smaller home like this. So.
Oh, it's got like built-in bunk beds. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, if you got kids, this is a spot for them right here, man.
Yeah.
They've got their own little play area upstairs in the loft, and then they've got a spot to sleep right here.
That's cool.
Here's your bathroom right across from the bunk beds. I didn't even stick my head in there. How's that shower look?
Yeah, it looks good.
There you go.
And it's a full-size shower too.
Good.
And it doesn't have one seat, it has two.
And then once you step back out of that hallway section, the ceiling steps back up again in here. And then you've got these barn style doors. And the reason for that is you've got a his and hers closet. So there's a closet for her. And there again, she's gonna have to be minimalistic. But plenty of room if this is the lifestyle that you want to live in. On this side is his. Plenty of room with these barn style doors too. You don't have to worry about them opening out and hitting the bed. That actually helps you a ton.
Oh yeah.
And then right here is kind of like a built-in dresser / media area. So you got room for a TV in there as well. But you've also got a couple of drawers there where you can hide stuff, put everything that you want in there. Your underwear drawer, whatever.
And you could get a full-size bed in here.
Yeah, you can get a full-size bed. You might could get a queen.
Yeah.
It would be tight, but you could probably get a queen in here.
You could probably get a queen in here.
Did you see that they actually put the can lights in the ceiling in here as well, so they're built in.
Oh, I see that.
And you still got your ceiling fan. By them putting this high ceilings in here, they were able to leave the ceiling fan in place.
And you got your own air conditioning unit.
And that's a big deal.
That is a huge deal. Big boys don't like to be hot.
Not at all. So, what did y'all think? Did y'all like the first tiny home? Is this something that you want to see more of on the channel? If it is, drop us a comment and let us know. We're going to go back outside though and take one more walk around, and then we're going to tell you a little bit about the pricing on this home. So let's go ahead and head out there and do a full-blown walk around where you get.
We'll make it quick.
Yeah, we'll make it quick. But
We're going to get you out of here in under 8 minutes, so I promise. Or we're going to do our best. So let's take a look. Good sized porch, and let's see the other side that we didn't look at. See what it looks like on the other side.
So y'all want to know about the pricing while we're out here walking around? This home, and for homes that are similar to it in style, are in the high 80s and up. Okay, so you're talking about 85 to 90,000 and up. And you may think that's a whole lot for such a small home, but they've done a great job to pack in everything that you would ever need into this small area. And when you've downsized to this extent, just think about the amount of money you're saving on your power bill, the amount of money you're saving on everything like that. So I can see where there will be a lot of savings. And after talking with Jan, these homes actually finance out for 23 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's take a look at this before we go real quick.
Look at the end, and then we're going on to the next home tour.
There's your air conditioner unit. So it's in it's in tow with your home.
How about that?
Very cool.
And it is a home on wheels.
Without a doubt.
Guys, click in the upper right-hand corner to see the next video, to see where we're headed next.